Thursday, quarter to the weekend. It is the Morning Galaxy. I'm V Candy, and every Thursday we have relationship goals with our love coach, Pastor Simba Holoza, where we talk all things about love, relationships, marriage, and all that jazz. Pastor Simba is the founder and programs coordinator of Strong Bonds Marriage Africa. He's also an author of a book titled The Marriage Handbook, and he is a pastor at Praise City Church. And the question is the big Q: should I marry or should I chase my dreams? Pastor Simba, good morning.
Good morning, Vikendi. How are you?
Good, thank you. How are you doing?
Doing great, eh? My all night ndacho ndakunyanya kuwanda.
My all night.
My all night.
My all night. Sure.
Yeah.
So we started a topic last week, right?
Yes.
Should I marry or chase my dreams first? What should come first? And we got to introduce a capstone marriage, ne cornerstone.
Cornerstone
marriage. That's it. Yes.
Yes. So with cornerstone weekend, we're saying that's when you make a choice to marry early.
Yes.
Remember the choice. You have to make the choice. You are the one that makes the choice whether to marry early or marry later. So the reason why we're having this discussion is to guided. If you choose to marry early, you then get to know what you're up against and what you should be doing and what are the pros and cons of marrying early. I also, made it clear that my marriage is a good dara. Mazhinji acho angari ma cornerstone weekend because vanhu vaitanga vakangopedza chikoro ngopedzawo sub handizi. But what we know is that as soon as they were done with school, they will get married. That was the next thing, getting married. But fast forward, things have changed. We are moving from cornerstone marriages, and research actually shows cornerstone marriages are not very popular mazwano. Kana uri a parent, you age mwana wako tanga waenda kuchikoro imboita zvemabhuku imboenda kuuniversity ta degree rako andita. So I think society is running away from cornerstone marriages. Yet we also noted kuti inouya futi zvakare nema advantages akawanda. If you find yourself in a cornerstone marriage, there are advantages, there are also disadvantages. There are things that you need to watch out for, there are things that you need to implement, and all that. So we did look at that, Vikendi. Then this in this show today, we are looking at marrying later.
Yes.
The other extreme.
Watogadzira tuntu twako.
Waita tuntu twako. I mean, this is the talk nowadays. Tanga waita zvinhu zvako, imbotanga waita imba yako, tanga waita tuntu twako, tanga wapedza chikoro, waita your masters or your PhD. I mean, people are talking about this. So this shows kuti capstone marriages are now more popular than ever. And you achieve your goals first, and that is actually informed by the idea that, I want to get married, and then it will be easy going because she is in place. But I think most people then get the shock of their life. Even though everything is now there, you are set up, but there are still other marital challenges that you face in marriage. So we'll also look at that as we look at the advantages and disadvantages of a capstone marriage. The one that where you say, I'm now putting marriage as a crown to my achievements. Ndaita zvese chichasara kutora mukadzi. Like they used to say in our days, kukanda mkitchen. Because kitchen actually oh my God, I don't like that statement.
Kanda mkitchen. Because that is kitchen.
Why should we limit you guys? I have daughters, so I wouldn't want to take my daughter to university and then also go kandwa mkitchen no more, and then they are restricted in that space. Come on. Maybe one day we'll talk about roles and responsibilities. Tomborangaridzana kuti okay, chinonzi mukadzi chi and basa rafu anga achita nderipi, anonzi murume chi basa rafu anga achita nderipi. Because most of us we get into this thing thinking kuti mukadzi basa rake ndere mukitchen, murume basa rake ndere muma streets achingwavha. But I mean, fast forward later, things have changed. There are dynamics dzakachinja. Saka it's important for us to revisit some of those responsibilities, some of those things. That's why I said last time, we need to look at all these types of marriages that are obtaining now. Nema types of marriage angari Bible, nema types of marriage akapindwa nana baba vedu nana mai vedu. Because I'm seeing a lot of us are actually applying my rules in my marriages nana baba vedu muma current marriages. Can you imagine, Vikendi? You are trying to live like your mom and dad. Vakararama kuma 1960. iko zvezvizi 2026 zvinhu zvatosiyana. Yeah, it's like you sport handiti pane soccer pane rugby. You know, in last year I was more soccer steering, but this year surprise no ndakutowandira kurugby. I follow schoolboy rugby zvokutodaro.
Oh, I see.
But you know what, when we started watching the games, the confusion was just serious weekend. Because waiona matako anoitwa kurugby and then you compare with soccer. Soccer is a bit more gentle. Saka you then see even rules zvakatosiyana. And that's exactly what people do when they get married. They come in there. It's a different sport, but they're trying to apply my rules soccer mu rugby. You're trying to apply my rules my marriage zana baba edu in the current setup that we have. We may have a few challenges there. So it's important for us to look at different types of marriages and what should be done, what should you be doing in that setup. And it's very important. So today, trupe sachitaura nyaya ichi capstone marriage yedu. Yatuti susu, that's like the icing on the cake. Waita zvese wapedza zvese. What are the advantages? Number one, Vikendi, advantage iripo ndeyekuti kana wapinda mucapstone imomomo, it means kuti we in fact it's our expectation kuti wakuzviziva. You know, unlike when it comes to your cornerstone, you get married and you don't even know what is happening. You just find yourself, married from nowhere. That's a cornerstone marriage for you. But in a capstone marriage, our assumption is that wapinda marriage wakunyatsozviziva iwo. Apana chinhu chakaipa sokupinda marriage usingazvizive. You don't know yourself. I mean, how do you expect to know the next person if you don't know yourself?
True, same.
So our expectation is now that you are a bit mature, you are now in your 30s, late 20s, or in your 40s, we expect you to you know yourself better, and that can actually help the relationship. Because remember, marriage is made up of two people. So if you are a bad person getting into marriage, the marriage will become a bad marriage. But if you know yourself and you're a good person, you get into marriage, chances that marriage will be a good marriage. Saka we expect your knowledge yokuti wakuzviziva. You know what you want, you know what you don't like, you are aware of your emotions, you can regulate your emotions, you are now a better person, a better individual, and hopefully the marriage will also be enjoyable because you know yourself. Then secondly, there's greater emotional maturity. I mean, with the cornerstone, you are 21 years, 22 years old, most probably you have not matured in many areas. And one of the area of maturity is emotional maturity. In any weekend, I got married when I was 23, somewhere there, 23, 24. I'm telling you, I was just a baby. I didn't even understand what emotional maturity is, emotional intimacy is. I didn't understand that. Yeah. But when you get married a little bit later,
it's the hope that you are emotionally mature.
Because
but I guess you're gonna look at the cons as well.
Yeah, because we can't assume everyone under 40 years are emotionally mature. Some actually refuse to grow. They are still mommy's boy or daddy's girl.
But I get you.
It's an assumption. I think we are not far from the reality there. Then there's also financial stability, Weekend. Tringotarisa kuti kana wasvika kuma40 kaunga uchingounganidzawo bag. I mean, you are financially stable. That's the assumption. And because you are financially stable, you are now established in career yako. We also assume that even your savings are in place. And that is actually something that can actually secure your foundation in marriage yako. So that's an advantage there, financial stability. Saka ukangomira uchiti ndichazorora later, but usiri kungwavha, usiri kunganidza mari. So, I mean, take advantage of that. I meet people that are not yet married, Weekend, and they will tell me, Pastor, the man of my dreams or the woman of my dreams. And I always urge them, bus stop. Do something. At least build your career or build a business.
True.
Some form of financial stability. And then the person will come and they'll find you while you are on your way to success.
Not kuti wakatongomira wakati dzi kuti achauya.
Aiwa.
No.
So it's an advantage. Ukaona usati waroorwa kana kuroora patime iyo hakuna kuchema. Do something. Chinozoita kuti vanhu vacheme vachitarisa biological clock kuti wakomana ndicharoorwa here, zvichaita here, ndicharoora here. Inyaya yekuti they are actually idle. If you are busy and you are busy building your career or building your business, I'm telling you, don't worry much about that, and it won't affect you, and you won't even end up in the wrong hands, because there are some people that then marry for economic reasons, because havana chavanacho. But if you're building something, I mean, definitely we won't find you marrying for economic reasons. So if you're marrying later, watojambwa pakumera for economic reasons, and that will actually help you. Then there's also what we also see in people that then marry later, a deeper gratitude for the spouse that they end up getting. Unoza kana wakuma 40s 30s munhu anouya kwauri at that point, chances are that you appreciate that person more, because you are saying, who wants to marry now and divorce? You make things work. But if you are 22, you are saying, munhu zvikaramba tikungopedzerana ipapo ndakuenda kwangu, haasi last born yeZimbabwe. But if you are in your 50s 40s, you don't speak like that, because this could be your last chance to have someone or to settle down with someone and start a home nguva ichiripo. So there's that gratitude yokungoti after years of waiting. If you have waited for something for a very long time, you value that thing, isn't it?
Yes.
So likewise, if you've waited for your spouse for a very long time, chances are that, I mean, this is my assumption, it doesn't end up like that with most people. But I assume kuti kana wakainamatira nyaya iyi handitika wakainamatira, like the song says, I mean, you're likely going to value that. I've met people that tell me, Pastor, I prayed for my spouse for 3 years. I prayed for this person, this andamona, for 3 years. And the value that they place on that person, it's not like but for some, they actually, and I respect that, 5 years, 4 years praying and saying, God, that person. So when that person then shows up, you are likely going to appreciate that person more than asina kumbonetseka. Unozawana asina kunetseka. They don't value what they have.
Sometimes I've seen that.
And then the other advantage weekend is that we expect you would have lived your single life fully. So apana zvuti kana wazopinda marriage wosanga kuzogaya kuti vakomana pazvasina kumboita ndambodzokera ndimbonopedzisa. There's going to be a level of commitment, because you are saying, okay, I've been there, done that, and I've been to that place, bought the t-shirt, and I'm good to go now. I can concentrate on my marriage. But ukazopinda marriage une 21 years, une 18 years, unotanga kufunga kuti vakomana, maybe ndakamhanya, maybe my soulmate is still out there, things like that. Tufungwa ito tunouya takawanda. But when you marry later, the advantage is that, you've been there. Apana nokuudza kuti single life yakamira sei. You've been there. I always urge single people, you know what, when you're single, it's not time to be mourning over you being single, but it's time to do life, to explore life. Because panozoya marriage, unogonozoshaya time yacho. Wakuita zvemarriage, wakuita zvawife kana zvahusband, and the chances are that you won't have as much time as you would want in your hands. So it's important for you to experience life. When I say experience life, I'm saying do it responsibly. Vana leo mama kufara kama mama tanzi tinofadaya tite zvatinoda. No. Responsibly. And travel, get to explore the world, get to see the world. Uchingodaro, go out with the girls. Both my marriage, I would have for my girls trip. Maybe you missed that. I'm not going to eat up my singles. So it's important for you to do it before you get married. Whatever you have always wanted to do it now. Because when marriage comes, I mean, it's going to be husband, it's going to be wife, it's going to be kids, it's going to be money going into all these other areas. So please live your single life fully and responsibly. Uchishika mwari. And also another advantage that comes with capstone marriages is that pane better partner selection. You've got an opportunity to actually interview and waneka muka maturity ka uchabvundutswe nokuti munhu awe ane bango rake remota.
Yes.
Mota chinzi bango remazona. Ameno kuti makuti chi awe ane mota inotyisa handitika.
Yes.
Auchavhundike nazvo. You actually take that person through an interview. Ukamubvunza kuti ndonzi Peter, unekodzero kuti unza passport yako tione. You are mature. Uyaziva kuti kunovharwa vanhu kunze uko handiti. And see the passport. Check everything. So you are at that level where you are mature. So there's also better partner selection. You know what you like, you know what you don't like, things like that. And so those are some of the advantages. So let's quickly look at the disadvantages. And are we saying it's wrong to get into a capstone marriage? It's not. If it's your choice, it's fine. But watch out for the following. Number one, you may experience fertility challenges. While we are there, Vikendi, I'm not a doctor, medical doctor, and I want people to research around this. But what I know is that with age, as we age, I'm told our fertility actually declines. I mean, it should be there, especially for women. That's why most of the women talk about their biological clocks. And I need guys to understand that. The reason why she wants to get married now, the reason why she's pushing you for marriage is because mumind make a lot of what wakomana ndichagumaura, or is that the proper Shona? I'm not sure, Vikendi, if you know that, Shona.
Okay. So I'm just going to hold you there, Pastor Simba, and then we'll be back after this.
Join Minister Michael Mahendere live for the July Worship Music Festival, Saturday the 11th of July, 2026 at the Glamis Arena. Doors open at 12 p.m. Tickets available at 4May, Med Orange, and Your Ticket Africa. This is the highest praise.
And we are back. Yes. So biological clock, you were saying it's justified.
Yes. So you can actually experience fertility challenges. So it's something that you must consider. Okay, if I want to marry late, do I understand my risk repo in terms of fertility, in terms of the challenges that come with that? So you also need to discuss that, or you also need to be aware of that. Then secondly, another disadvantage yokurora later in life is that you are set in your ways. And I've noted that a lot of capstone marriage couples, they fight or they clash. They have a lot of conflict. Why? Because and they stick to their guns. I've always cooked this way. I've always done things this way. I've always done things this way. So kuti give in. You actually need to negotiate. That's why I say in marriage, one of the greatest skills that you must have is the skill of negotiating. Don't get into marriage a winner take all mentality. It has to be either my way or no way. It doesn't work in marriage. So please be willing to negotiate, be willing to compromise. Then there's also the pressure of, or rather the pressure to have children immediately. I mean, you get married in your 30s, you are thinking, you know what, we need to have our children now. Because kasadaro, grade 7, Form 6 and all that. Saka, there's that pressure. So you find good if baby doesn't come in year number 1, psychologically, unongo pressure. Unlike when you're 21 years or 22 years, you are saying, come on, look, I still have more years ahead of me. So those are the challenges that you come across. And we always encourage couples who are in that state, could you please, let's work together. The challenge is for both of us, not for one particular individual or one individual. A biological clock. Then there's also the complex repo around merging finances. Iwe ne big rako ndine rangu kana kuti ndine rangu iwaona big kuzoti zvanga zvangu zvedu
mari yangu.
My goodness, language is mari yangu aibude pakadaro. Unlike when you started off together, zvinogona kubuda. There's also family blending complications because already you're in your 50s. We expect you to have a child here and a child there, things like that. And that's normal, Masvano. And we need to blend these families. You can also have challenges around all that and, things like that. Vikendi, we have a lot to say, but let's end it here.
And our time, I guess we'll continue. Pastor Simba, thank you so much. For those who want to get in touch with you,
0773 000 000 0773 000. Then I'll send you a link to our group. kuti musamisa out on some of the events that we're doing for couples, for singles. And couples, please get in touch with me. We have lots of retreats that are coming up, and a lot of events that are happening even in Harare. So we'll be announcing big events. There's going to be a Comet night for couples, so please come through and I'll give you more information.
Fantastic. Thank you so much. Thank you for being with us this week on the Morning Galaxy. We do this again next week. Remember, tomorrow belongs to God. I am V Candy, 12 midday. Time for Now in Depth.
Now, Zim Papers Radio Broadcasting Division.
Zimbabwe yakugadzirira El Nino zita rangudonzi Senzo Mpofu ndopaina uzvizere. Mutungamiri wenyika President Emmerson Mnangagwa vanova munyori mukuru wekutanga webato rekutonga reZANU-PF vakurudzira nyika kuti igadzire El Nino anova mamiriro ekunze anosakisa kusanaya kwemvura zvichikonzera nzara. Mutungamiri wenyika vanoda kuti kutangwe kutorwa matanho ekurima zvakanaka, varimi vachikoshesa nyaya yekurima nenzira isingakanganiswe nekusanaya kwemvura zvakanaka, nekuti